Hi, I've just popped on to show you the ENJO Living Zone, so I'm just going to do a very quick demo here of how I use it in my own home. So I'm in my bedroom and it's been a bit neglected for a few weeks. So firstly, I've got the ENJO dust glove, which is part of the living zone, and it is just going to work without water. You just charge it up a little bit and we just go with it, and it'll just gather and gather and gather dust until you get rid of that dust. Once you're finished, you can keep going and it'll just keep collecting. So I'm just going to do a quick demo. See some of the dust collecting already. Now I'll just show you all round. Oh, just drop the phone. Dust there. The dust glove will trap all the dust inside, and it will keep trapping it in there until you're finished doing all your dusting. And you can see it's just gathered all that dust there. Now we'll just hoover that off my glove. I'm then going to move on to the Living Strong glove, which can be used on all hard surfaces, mirrors, glass, anything in your living area. So I'm just going to carry on and then wet, wipe and dry. So I'm just going to dampen my cloth a little. Dry behind. Come a little bit closer there and just see how that's just a simple, quick and easy way to clean using ENJO Living Zone. Everything's left shiny and dry. Bye folks, thanks for watching.